Right.
MMI was formed from the merger of Momentum and Metropolitan, way back in 2010. I still
Feels
remember
like yesterday.
that. Yeah, it does.
2010, 6 years ago. But they do all of the same
They
stuff.
do all the same things, so we're not going to go through
Employee
that.
benefits,
And if we
insurance,
look
asset
at
managers.
I think the most important thing is to look at their market cap right now, which is 38.7 billion rand. Price to earnings ratio here 17.9, dividend yield of 6.4%. Share price graph will give us a sense of how the market has reacted to their recent trading update.
The trading update did look a little bit spongy, Matthew.
Yeah, I think it was quite disappointing, and I think what they alluded to was losses in the healthcare business or reduced profits, and that's basically they lost Bank Med, and Discovery was the winner there. Then also you've had the GEMS healthcare scheme which they administer, that put through inflationary increases of 15%. And I don't think your government employees can actually afford 15% increase. So I think overall they took a knock there. They also alluded to difficulties with their disability benefits. With the changes in the tax laws, it's actually been more beneficial to claim disability and get almost fully paid after tax or tax-free versus working and getting the tax deducted. So there was a bit of an arbitrage there which they got caught out on.
So very comprehensive in terms of a trading update, which means that they've set the scene for shareholders out there, and there shouldn't be any surprise when the results come out. So you can certainly celebrate their investor relations department for doing a good job in terms of preparing the market for what is coming.
There's the 5-year chart. So they did sort of slide and
we have to look at that, just 2013. So 2010, we saw this merger of Metropolitan and MMI. And I think the real question is whether you've seen the synergies unlocked and the benefits being enjoyed from the merger.
I would actually struggle to see them. It seems like 1 + 1 is equal 2. They're doing the same businesses. There hasn't been much innovation or anything that's coming through the merger. So it doesn't really excite it.
Pedestrian would be the term to use here.
Although I think they did realize a certain amount of synergies in the background that one may or may not be aware of in terms of harmonizing back ends and risk management systems and so on. And at least they lost a rotational management team. So Nicholas Kruger has been at the helm. Remember, this one is somewhat like 30-something% or 20-something% held by RMI. So I think they'll work on it. I think they have their own approach.
RMI, who's heading up RMI? Just remind me of the gentleman's name.
Herman Bosman. He's a smart fellow.
He's a smart fellow,
and
exactly.
I think they're getting, and they also own a stake in Discovery, so they're almost playing a growth play and a value play. And I think they're going to try to get more and more involved to get the business in the right shape.
And of course, they also own the whole of Outsurance, so they've got things going on there on multiple levels.
Hot or not?
I would say not.
Not hot.
Yeah, because remember, these are very big, strong businesses, but anytime you have like a 40% reduction in earnings, that's not going to play well. People are going to watch, wait and see. I think share price goes sideways.
Not hot.
Not hot.